To share an entire folder, such as my FBLA 2019 folder, I am going to be outside of that folder, right click, and I can either press share or get shareable link. If I press share, I can choose how I want to send this, such as usually anyone with the link can access. This means you can access it without being connected or logged into your school email. You can also tell it at the school, anyone with the school with the link, however you want to do this. Once you select the option, you can tell it that either you want view only or do you want these people to be able to edit it. Then you press save and you can copy this link and paste it into an email, into a doc, whatever you want to do. Or here, you can start typing in people's emails. And when you start typing them in, I'll send this to Danny Schneider. She's one of my aides. I can tell her that can edit it directly or she's view only, and you get to decide this. Once you do that, you can type a note and this will show up in their email, and you also have the option to notify people or simply give them access to it without actually notifying them. It'll just show up in their drive. We don't often use this, but on occasion you might. And then you just press send. Getting the shareable link works pretty much the same way. If you do get a shareable link, this pops up right away. You can go into the sharing settings and it just puts you right in here. But that's how you share them from your drive.